I'm very pleased to guide you today through the Dassault Systèmes 3D Experience platform for industrial equipment. We will illustrate how the 3D Experience platform accelerates your business through social collaboration among all company actors and easy-to-build business dashboards. For this demonstration, let's suppose that we work for a company called B Construction Equipment, an industrial equipment OEM that designs and produces heavy mobile products. The company is about to launch this brand new excavator, which mimics nature. Our challenge is to do more work in a day while keeping comfort, safety during operation, and preserving the environment in mind. In this demonstration, we'll follow 7 different actors of the company and illustrate how each one of them will leverage the power of the 3D Experience platform to connect ideas, people, data and solutions for their customers across the value chain. So let's begin then. Meet Jeff Rutter, Vice President Research and Development at B Construction Equipment. Jeff is responsible for product development. This is Jeff's homepage. As you can see, B Construction Equipment is a global enterprise with 40,000 employees working in engineering and manufacturing offices all over the world. B Construction Equipment recently implemented a new engineering centre in Korea. Jeff is interested in keeping abreast of the latest news and trends in his industry and the world of equipment in general. He also feels it's vital to collect information about the competition and to get the most out of the internal and external communities that he belongs to. As you can see, B Construction Equipment has a diversified product portfolio. Jeff is showing you here a new and groundbreaking way to get a complete status of his R&D activities. Looking at all the company's product development projects in a single dashboard, he can easily navigate through project timelines. If we focus on the excavator product line, we can see that 6 development projects are underway. They are related to 3 different product models. He can check how projects contribute to the company's business goals, such as developing the next generation of vehicles on a modular architecture. Should there be important delays, he can immediately focus on the related project, the related project owner, in this case, Louis Choi, and the amplitude of the scheduling deviation. Quite important for him, Jeff can check the actual project's costs versus the project business cases. But in business case, you also have the revenue part. So connecting with other company applications, Jeff can now check the company global revenue and orders. Zooming on the excavator product line, he can check whether revenue is up to project expectations and how many customer bids that were won or lost. What Jeff enjoys here is the ability to visualize all the business information he needs, with metrics and alarms that help him make the right decisions. Our next step is related to market intelligence, and more precisely to norms and regulations. Maria is B Company's compliance manager. Her challenge is to be aware of what is happening in many areas, such as ergonomics, as comfort and safety are important to us. Maria has personalised her page to immediately catch the latest news from specialised institutions, social networks, and regulatory agencies. Indeed, this represents a huge volume of data. But Maria can easily filter the information she needs using the multi-dimensional tagging mechanism. For example, she wants to access what is related to career and to ergonomics. Maria notices that someone posted information about a new regulation in the external professional community she belongs to. So she directly connects to that community to browse the content of the post. The post details a new regulation revolving around two major topics: increase operators' direct view field and decrease operators' exposure to whole body vibration. So let's investigate further and see how Simon, the product manager, has reacted to the new regulation information. With one click on the compass, Simon accesses, with the social and collaborative applications, all the communities he belongs to. Looking at the content of the B Construction Equipment internal social community, we see that there are several ideas currently posted. This is a new ideation process, an easy and social way to mature and qualify innovative ideas. All actors can voice their needs, ideas and feedback on other employees' ideas. Simon created a new idea and asked his peers to comment and rate it. The response he got confirmed that the new excavator will indeed be impacted. He also received several proposals on how to design a new mobile cabin featuring a new mechanism that increases an operator's visibility. Simon then decides to validate this idea. Let's now see how this impacts Luis, the project manager. Luis is in charge of several product development projects, including the new excavator, which must abide by the new regulation. Luis defined his own metrics, focusing on what he likes to monitor. One of his challenges is to get a clear, up-to-date picture of the level of completion of the various phases of his projects. This is what this Gantt view tells him. He can drill down, look at the new excavator project, and see the completion status of all tasks assigned to the various contributors. He can easily find the tasks that are at risk, such as Megumi's task, which is several days late. To ensure that everything is fine, Luis will now get into the project definition, using the project management application from the compass. As you can see, we are currently in the detailed design phase of this new modular vehicle. As we look closer, Luis can track and monitor the project, including a detailed status of each task. Here at the bottom of the list is the task related to the digital mock-up review. It's been assigned to Megumi. Luis can make sure that all information is well prepared, including the document that details the work to be done. Megumi, B Construction Equipment's digital mock-up reviewer, now takes the lead. Her dashboard includes all the engineering projects she is working on, together with a list of tasks she must perform. She can also track the evolution of all the digital mock-up reviews already performed, together with the clash detection status. She gets the list of all the interferences and can look more in detail to what is wrong at the level of the cabin. She gets a first level of understanding of which parts are impacted and again who is responsible. So let's see where she stands with the validation of the new mobile cabin mechanism. A click in the west quadrant gives access to the 3D design applications. She can search for all relevant data, and easily navigate within the digital mock-up of the product. By clicking in the East quadrant, she has access to the Business Essentials applications. She can visualize key information and understand how the job is progressing. Let's check where she stands with the digital mock-up review. Megumi can simulate various mechanisms, including the new mobile cabin. She can also check if there are still interferences. As you can see, there is still a problem with the articulated arm. The new cabin lift mechanism was actually designed by an engineering subcontractor. Let's see how collaboration with strategic engineering offices is simplified. Megumi has various collaborative spaces that she uses to collaborate with her suppliers. With one click on the collaborative space, we can see that this space is shared with Rajesh Jones, her supplier in the UK. Let's see how he managed to do the job. Rajesh is responsible for engineering the new cabin lift mechanism. Via a dedicated community with this specific supplier, Megumi is able to communicate with Rajesh, capturing knowledge and keeping track of the various discussions. In the collaborative space, Megumi uploaded only the project data that Rajesh needs to perform his job. First of all, Rajesh adapts the shape of the arm to avoid collision with the engine. Thanks to knowledgeware and intelligent design, this is very easy to do. A click in the south quadrant gives him access to simulation capabilities. Using the play button of the compass, he can check that the mechanism is robust enough to support the weight of the cabin. The last actor in our journey is Anna Jolie, Marketing VP. She wants to search for all the events where B Construction Equipment will be exhibiting the new excavator. We see that in 2014 there will be some events taking place in AP, with an important one, the Bauma exhibition in China. The question for Anna is, which booth setup will have a maximum effect on the audience? She can virtually experience the booth and review different configurations before deciding. We've come to the end of our journey at B Construction Equipment. We saw each of the 7 actors navigated seamlessly the 3D Experience business platform, from simple dashboards to social collaboration to integrated applications. Business at the same time simplified and accelerated. This is what compassing your business means. Thank you.